In this question, we are given two matrices which are equal to each other. Now we know that A and B, if they are the two matrices, they will be equal if there are two conditions which are satisfied. First, the order of A and B has to be same. And secondly, the element in A should be equal to the corresponding element in B. We can see the matrices which are given to us, both are 2 into 2, so the order is same in both the cases. Now the second condition, element of A equal to corresponding element in B, basically means the element A11 should be equal to element B11, A12 should be equal to B12, and so on and so forth, which basically gives us that 2A plus B, the first element on the left hand side of in the matrice, is equal to 4. Corresponding element of B is 4, and A minus 2B will be equal to minus 3. A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. Now we can say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So we will eliminate B from the two equations. So we'll multiply the first equation with 2 and the second with 1. So which will give us 4A plus 2B is equal to 8, and second equation will remain as it is, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. We will add both these two equations, which will basically cancel out 2B. So we'll get 5A is equal to 5, which will give us A is equal to 1. Now we will put the value of A equal to 1 in one of the equations. Say we put it in equation number 1. So we get 2 into 1 plus B is equal to 4, which will give us B is equal to 2. So we have found the value of A equal to 1 and B equal to 2. Now what we can do is we can take the rest two elements of the two matrices, which will give us 5C minus D is equal to 11 and 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So 5C minus D is equal to 11 and 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So we can say that this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. Now in this case we will eliminate D. So we will multiply the equation 3 with 3 and equation number 4 by 1. When we do that, the equation number 3 will become 5 into 3 15C minus 3D is equal to 11 into 3 33, and 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. This equation will remain the same. Again we add both the equations. We'll see again 3D will go. So we'll have 19C is equal to 57. C is 57 divided by 19, which is nothing but 3. Now putting the value of C equal to 3 in, say, equation number 3. So in equation 3 we have 5 into 3 minus D is equal to 11, or 15 minus D is 11, or D is equal to 4. So we get C is equal to 3, D equal to 4. So what we have got is C is equal to 3, D equal to 4, then A as 1 and B as 2, A as 1 and B as 2. Now what we have to find is the value of A plus B minus C plus 2D. So A plus B minus C plus 2D, that is what we have to find. So put the value of A, B, C in the respective places. 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 4. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, so this will cancel out. So what is remaining is 8. So answer to this question, a plus b minus c plus 2d is 8. Let us see the options. The option is A, which is 8. Okay.